This stuff kind of looks like flesh. You know who's the most excited about making this barbecue flavored jackfruit? This guy. So if you've never tried jackfruit, it is a great meat alternative, especially if you're trying to mimic something like pulled pork. So we're gonna try to make pulled pork with this green jackfruit, and we're also gonna use this sugar-free barbecue sauce and see if that still makes a good version of this pulled pork. Never have I ever cooked jackfruit before. I've seen it. If you guys have ever seen jackfruit in person, it is huge and it's prickly and crazy weird looking. We are going to drain this. It smells fruity. It's jackfruit. Doesn't that look weird? I think it looks kind of weird. Kind of looks like tuna, and it smells like fruit. So I'm pulling it apart. All right, so this is taking on the consistency that I want it to. Oh my gosh! Put some garlic, paprika, use some nonstick spray. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes without the sauce to achieve some color. Did our 2 to 3 minutes. Just going to add a bunch of this. All right, this is what it looks like. It looks like pulled pork. I like it, honestly. It's kind of like tofu, where it'll just take on the flavor of whatever you marinate it in, and the sugar-free barbecue sauce works really well. As always, I would really appreciate if you guys would give a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm working on new content all the time, and it really means a lot to have your support.